Machine. A device with moving parts that performs tasks. The washing machine is broken. He invented a new machine for recycling. The factory uses a machine to package products. She learned how to operate the machine. The machine processes data quickly.